Hi, I'm Matt, CTO and co-founder of BioTwin. We're helping the construction sector to reach net zero. We have a patent pending hemp wall stud replacement for steel in partition walls. One Porterway was a perfect project. It was all about reducing embodied carbon, reusing as much as they could use. For this project, they could lower the carbon with the use of the BioStud. Hemp wall studs replace steel wall studs in interior partition walls. Presently, 70% lower embodied carbon than a steel stud, and they're a direct slotting component which is ready now. The hemp stud is direct replacement, same size. They're cut with a skill saw or a chop saw, less dust, less mess, less sharp edges. We've proven that it can be cut quickly, it can be installed quickly, even with splicing, and in a system, they can be a replacement, which is fantastic. We have done extensive testing with BRE for acoustics, for structural loads, and for fire. From our perspective, we want to increase volumes and we want to increase orders. By doing that, we increase the impact we have in the construction sector.
So Undaunted exists to turn innovative climate solutions into real-world deployments. So one of the key things the Better Futures Retrofit Accelerator aimed to do was to overcome some of the systemic challenges that innovators face in getting their products into the built environment industry. So one of the things that really stood out about BioTwin was that their product was a high volume product that's replaced a lot in buildings, so something that is normally stripped out and quite often goes to waste. So seeing some product that comes from natural materials was really positive in that respect. I think this installation really does show the way that London embraces innovation, and also it really wants to build an ecosystem. That's a big part of what Undaunted does, is around building an ecosystem around climate innovation. And seeing BioTwin's installation at Sciopolis is exactly the outcome we want to see.
Hi, I'm Charlie Mitchell, CEO of Sciopolis. Really excited to be here today, where we're actually trialling first in the UK installation of BioTwin, which is a hemp-based stud, highly sustainable. But the great thing is it's a simple product, it's an inherently safe product. When Undaunted are backing something, it just makes it very easy for us to back it as well. We've created Sciopolis to support innovative companies who are developing innovative technologies. What we think is very important is that we actually help our innovators do this by testing their products in our building. We are building a lot of stud walls in our building, and the idea of actually finding a new technology that can reduce the carbon impact of using steel stud was really interesting to me. In the future, we probably will never even notice we've got a hemp stud wall in the building. What we might see, with a bit of luck, is we see a better acoustic performance through the wall. But ultimately what we will know is that we've done something more sustainable than just building standard steel walls, and will reduce our carbon footprint. These hemp studs are going to be the thing that hopefully helps us move towards net zero in the future.
By using our hemp-based wall stud, you can reduce the carbon footprint of your partition walls. We're looking for you, contractors, developers, architects, driven by sustainability, looking for new, exciting innovations to help us all reach net zero. You can find out more at biotwin.co.uk, and if you're interested, you can reach out directly for LCA and any other supporting data to Matt and Kit at biotwin.co.uk.